Why does your scanner show the P0066 engine code? What does it mean? P0066 is a diagnostic trouble code for air-assisted injector control circuit or circuit low. The P0066 engine code indicate the engine control module, ECM, or powertrain control module, PCM, has detected a voltage signal from the air-assisted injector circuit. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged or corroded wiring, loose or faulty electrical connector, blown fuse or relay, faulty air control solenoid or injector, vacuum or air leak. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Lexus, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.